polling center no Shibami. Amefi
Agnes Naa Momo and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. This is an opportunity that comes once in a while, and I believe that we should take advantage and do what we need to do to move the party forward in this constituency. It's about expressing ideas and all that. If in the course of it, for me in particular, somebody has said something or done something and you've been hurt, after today, let's bury it and move forward. Because the party needs us united. The party needs us, not just Naa Momo leading us, but the party needs us because we need to get power to do the things that we want to do for Ghana and Krowor. And so we need to serve the people the best way we know how to serve. If we are not united, it will be very difficult for us to do that. So I call for unity. I call for us to bury every single hurt and bitterness. Continuing it will only be hurting us further, so that we'll be able to go for the victory that is ahead of us come 2024. Thank you very much. It's number 1 on the ballot paper. Eyezu for John Mama, Eyeza for Naa Momo. God bless us all.